feel like your money is scattered everywhere and it's impossible to track where it's really going? With tags and Quicken, you can organize every transaction like a pro, so you always know exactly what's coming in and what's going out. In this video, we'll break down what tags are, how they work inside Quicken, and how you can start using them to get better control of your finances. Now that you know why tags are useful, let's talk about what they actually are. In Quicken, a tag is a label that you can attach to any transaction. It's different from a category because a tag can be used across multiple accounts and categories, giving you a flexible way to track specific projects, events, or types of spending. For example, you might create a tag called Vacation 2025 and attach it to all expenses related to your trip: flights, hotels, meals, souvenirs. Later, you can instantly see the total spent on that vacation without creating extra accounts or categories. Tags are powerful because they let you organize your money in a way that fits your life. You can track a side project, business expenses, rental property task, or even a gift list, whatever you need. Now let's create a tag in Quicken. Most of the time you'll find your tag list under the Tools menu. Now, once it's open, then go to the bottom left corner of the window and click New Tag. So I'm going to create a new tag for this demonstration. And for the name, I'm going to use Office Supplies. And for the description, I'm going to enter Office Supplies for home business. Quick tip before we continue. I wanted to show you a tool I use all the time for the hands-on side of managing finances. These are the pens that I rely on for signing checks for contractors, writing up invoices for our rental properties, and jotting quick notes for tax prep. They're smooth, vibrant, they don't smudge, and they don't skip. It's super helpful for all that offline paperwork. Alright, now let's jump back into Quicken. Now you only need to add a copy number if you are planning to import your data into TurboTax, but for this example, I'm going to leave it blank. And after entering the information, click Save. Your new tag now appears in the list. If you ever need to make changes, just click Edit, update the details, and then click Save again. Click Done to close the tag list. Now let's attach a tag to a transaction. I've got a transaction ready here. It's an office equipment purchase for my husband's lawn care business. Now it already has a category of office expenses and it's under the business section. Now, if you're not using Quicken Classic Business and Personal, you won't see the business or rental property features, but you can still track business purchases using tags. It's a flexible way to stay organized without needing the full business version. To attach tags, you can type the first tag, add a colon, then type the second tag, and hit enter, like this. Now, if you prefer, you can use the drop-down to select each tag manually. Once added, both tags appear on the transaction. And using multiple tags is helpful when a single transaction relates to more than one project or purpose. It gives you more flexibility in tracking and reporting your spending. Okay, once you've added tags, it's easy to see them in your register. Open the account where the transaction's recorded and look for the tag column. Here's why tags help so much. If I type office expenses in the filter search box, every transaction with that category appears. But there are a lot of them, and they may belong to different businesses or projects. It's hard to find exactly what you want. Alright, now if I type office supplies, the tag we just created, only those specific transactions show up. Tags make it much easier to isolate transactions for a particular purpose without digging through unrelated items. You can also filter your register to show only transactions with a specific tag. This is a quick way to review everything related to a project, business, or goal. Once you're using tags regularly, you can view totals for specific tags in several ways. For example, if you run a Schedule C or a Schedule E report in Quicken for your business or rental property, you can filter by tag to see exactly how much you spent on a project, client, or type of expense. For personal transactions, a simple option is to filter your register by a tag. If I filter by the office supplies tag, I can instantly see all related transactions and the total amount spent. Just make sure you note the tag on your receipt from the vendor or store so you'll know how to categorize it later. The main idea is that tags give you tracking options beyond categories. Whether you're tracking a project, a business activity, or a personal goal, tags help you get accurate totals and insights without creating extra accounts or categories. So now that you know what tags are and how to create and attach them, you're ready to start organizing your transactions like a pro. In the next video, I'll show you how to view and report on your tags in Quicken so you can get totals for any project, business, or goal instantly. And if you're getting started with Quicken, my affiliate link is below so you can grab the best discount they're offering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if you want to start tagging your own transactions today, open your Quicken file and follow along. It's easier than you think.